Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to do 2 big braids on natural hair. My hair has already been blown out, so let's get right into the video. So okay, you're gonna make sure your part is straight. That's the key. A straight part always give you a clean look. So yes, let's make sure this part is straight. And my hair is still a bit damp. I didn't really blow dry because I didn't really want to put that much heat on my hair. So I just went through it as quick as possible just to get it a little stretched out to get the knots out. Okay, so my part should be straight enough, so I'm going to just go ahead and tie this part down, this side down, because I'm going to start on this side first. So go ahead and tie this down. And the product I'll be using is my Got To Be glue and my Ego Styler black castor and flaxseed oil. This is really good. I love the smell of this, so I'll be using these 2 products. Just a regular brush the product through, and I'm going to use my holding spray when I'm finished. I don't have any mousse. I wish I did, but it's okay. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to don't fall. Sorry y'all, I'm using my phone and I got to plug it to the charger, so just bear with me. So I'm going to go ahead, and this is the hair I'm using, black and blonde. I'm going to just go ahead and sorry y'all, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stretch the hair and get it ready for braiding. So when you stretching the hair, I'm not gonna get really in detail about this, but when you sectioning the hair, you wanna section from smallest to biggest, because these are feed-in braids, and feed-in braids grow. So it's like you're feeding the braids, so you're gonna pull out small pieces, and then the pieces gonna get bigger as you pull them out. Sorry if I'm explaining that bad. I'm really bad at explaining, so yeah. Hold on, this hair isn't quite stretched. I need it stretched, okay? Because I want it long down to my behind. I just playing. But yeah, let me go ahead and section this hair.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Why don't you ever model for me, Mrs. Kensington?
You know how Mr. Kensington feels about that.
Oh, behave. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Why don't you ever model for me, Mrs. Kensington?
You know how Mr. Kensington feels about that.
Oh, behave. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah. baby. Yeah, baby. Why don't you ever model for me, Mrs. Kensington?
You know how Mr. Kensington feels about that.
Oh, behave. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah.